Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cisce Topper Classes. Here we are going to discuss exercise 8, question number 12 to 24 of ML Aggarwal Class 9 Mathematics, chapter 8, Indices. So, let us start solving this exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Here we are going to solve exercise 8 of ML Agarwal class 9 mathematics, question number 12. So let us start solving here. Question number 12, first part is 64 divided by 125 the whole power minus 2 by 3 divided 1 by 256 divided by 625 the whole power 1 by 4 plus under root 25 divided by under root 64 की power 1 by 3 and here whole power as equal to 0. So now let us start solving this here. This we can write as a whole fraction as 4 divided by 5 की whole power 3 की whole power minus 2 by 3. So here we can write this as divided by 1 by 256 we can write as 16 here, or 4 we can write simply 4 divided by 5 की whole power 4 and whole power 1 by 4. Now we can write this as, because whole power it is 0, we can write it as 1. Now solving this part we will cancel out 3 here and here 5 by 4 की whole power 2, because to remove minus 2 here we will take reciprocal divided by 4 by 5. 4 will be cancelled out from here on multiplying and opening the bracket, and here we will get simply 5 by 4 plus 1. Now we can solve it. Let us simplify here. 25 divided by 16 into 4 divided by 5 plus 1. This will be cancelled out and here we will get 5 by 4 plus 1 as 9 by 4 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve question number 12, second part here, which is 5 की power n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 n plus 1 divided by 9 into 5 की power n minus 2 की power 2 into 5 की power n. Simply we can write this as 5 की power n dot 5 की power 3 minus 6 into 5 की power n dot 5 divided by 9 into 5 की power n minus 2 की power 2 into 5 की power 1. Simply we can take common here as 5n. So here we will get 5 की power 3 minus 30 and again common here also. So it will be 9 minus 4. This will be cancelled out and here 125 minus 30 divided by 5 equal to 125 minus 30, 95 by 5. And cancelling this part here we will get 19 as the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here in 12 second part. Now let us solve 13 first part here. So it will be, the first part here is 64 the whole power 2 by 3 2 की power minus 2 divided by 8 की power 0 whole power minus half. Simply we can write this on solving as 64 we can write as 4 की power 3 की whole power 2 by 3, 2 minus 2 as 1 by 2 की whole power 2 divided by 8 की power 0 means 1 and whole power minus 1 and a half. So this will be 3 will be cancelling out and here we will get 16 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 will be same as, because dividing by 1 we will get the same thing. So this is the whole power minus half. This will be cancelled out and here we will get 4 the power minus half. On taking it, we will firstly take reciprocal 1 by 4 की whole power 1 by half. So this will be 1 by 2 as the final answer of 13th first part. Now let us solve here 13 second part also. 13 second part is 3 की power n into 9 की power n plus 1 divided by 3 की power n minus 1 into 9 की power n minus 1. Simply we can solve here also as 3 की power n into 3 की power 2n plus 2 divided by 3 की power n minus 1 into 3 की power 2n minus 2. Again simply write as 3 की power 3n plus 2 divided by 3 की power 3n minus 3, and it will be here 3 की power 3n plus 2 minus 3n plus 3. This will be cancelled out and here we will get 3 की power 5. On solving we will get 9 into 9 as 81 into 3 equal to 8, 243 as the final answer of 13th second part. Now let us solve 14th first part here, which is under root 2 का whole square into under root 1 by 4, 256 की power 1 by 4 here. So simply here we can write 4 divided by 64 की power 1 by 3 minus 1 and a half minus 2. Simply we can write here as 2 2 into 256 की power 4 as 4 divided by 4. So this will be cancelled out and here we can write as 2 की power 2. So this will be 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2 as the answer of this question. Now 14 second part here is 3 की power minus 6 by 7 into 4 की power minus 3 by 7 into 9 की power 3 by 7 into 2 की power 6 by 7 divided by 2 की power 2 plus 2 की power 0 plus 2 की power minus 2. Here we can write as 3 की power minus 6 by 7. 9 also we can write as 3 की power 2. So it will be 6 by 7. 3 की power 6 by 7. So it will be 3 की power 6 by 7. Here also we can write 2 की power 2 minus 3 by 7. On multiplying we will get minus 6 by 7. 2 की power minus 6 by 7 into 2 की power 6 by 7 divided by 2 की power 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 4. So this will be cancelled out and here also it will cancel out. So it will be 3 की power 0 as 1 into 1 divided by 5 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1 divided by 20 plus 1 into 4 here. So it will be 4 by 21 as the final answer of 14th second part. Now let us solve here 15th first part, which is 32 की power 2 by 5 into 4 की power minus 1 and a half into 8 की power 1 by 3 divided by 2 की power minus 2 divided by 64 की power minus 1 by 3. Simply we can write it here 2 की power 5 and divide whole power 2 by 5 into 2 की power 2 whole power minus 1 by 2 into 2 की power 3 whole power 1 by 3 divided by 2 की power minus 2 and divided by here also we can write as 4 की power 3. 3 will be cancelled out and we will get 4 की power minus 1. On dividing this part we will get as this will be cancelled out, 2 will be cancelled out and 3 also will be cancelled out. So it will be 4 into 1 by 2 into 2 divided by 1 by 4 into 4 by 1 because this is divide in between them. So this will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out and here we will get 4 as the final answer of the first part. Now the second part of 15th question here is 5 की power 2x plus 6 and here into 25 की power minus 7 plus 2x divided by 125 की power 2x. So simply we can write this part as 5 की power 2x plus 12 into 25 की power minus 7 plus 2x divided by 125 की power 2x. We can simply write this as 5 की power 3 and here 2x. So on writing this part 5 की power we can write it as 5 की power 2 on multiplying 2 with minus 7 plus 2x we will get here 2x plus 12 into 5 minus 14 plus 4x divided by 5 की power 6x. Now we can simply write this as 5 2x plus 4x here dot 5 12 minus 14 divided by 5 की power 6x. This can be written as 5 की power 6x dot 5 की power minus 4 minus 2 sorry and here it is 5 की power 6x. So this will be cancelled out and here we will get 1 by 25 as the answer of the second part of 15th question. Now let us solve 16th first part here, which is 7 की power 2n plus 3 minus 49 की power n plus 2 divided by 343 की power n plus 1 and whole power 2 by 3. Simply we can write this as 7 2n plus 3 minus 7 square, and here it is n plus 2 divided by 343. We can write as 7 ki power 3 the whole power n plus 1, and this also multiplied by 3. So on multiplying this part, 3 will be cancelled out simply, and here also we can write this part as 7 2n plus 3 minus 7 2n plus 4 divided by 7 2n plus 2. This also we can take common 7 2n from here. So 7 2n on taking common, we will get 7 ki power 3 minus 7 ki power 4 divided by 7 2n dot 7 2. This will be cancelled out. Here 7 3 taking as common, we will get 1 minus 7 7 square. This also will be cancelled out. So on subtracting this 7 into 1, because here 7 is left, so 7 minus 49 is equal to minus 42 as the answer of 16 first part. Now let us solve here only 16 second part, which is 27 ki power 4 by 3 plus 32 ki power 0.8 plus 0.8 ki power minus 1. We can write this part as 3 ki power 3 the whole power 4 by 3 plus here as 2 ki power 5, and 0.8 writing it on fraction, we will get 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 the inverse it is, so it will be 5 by 4. Now this will be cancel out, this will be cancel out, and here we will get 3 ki power 4 as 81 plus 2 ki power 4 as 16 plus 5 by 4. Adding this as 797 plus 5 by 4, multiplying 97 with 5. So here we will get as 388 plus 5 divided by 4. 388 plus 5 will be 393 by 4 as the answer here in this question. So this is the answer of 16 second part. Now let us solve here 17 first part, which is under root 32 minus under root 5 the whole power 1 by 3, and here under root 32 plus under root 5 the whole power 1 by 3. This we can write as 32 ka whole square minus under root 5 ka whole square, here 1 by 3. So we can write it as 32 minus 5 the whole power 1 by 3 equal to 32 minus 5. Simply we can write as 27 ka under root 27 ki power 1 by 3. So it will be 3 ki power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 will be cancelled out, and 3 will be the final answer of 17 first part. Now here the 17 second part also we will solve. So 17 second part is x ki power 1 by 3 minus x ki power minus 1 by 3, and here x ki power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus x ki power minus 2 by 3. Here we have one formula which we will use, apply here as x cube minus y cube. We can write it as x minus y x square plus plus xy plus y square. Here also this is formula, it is written in the open form. Now we have to put it in this form. So we can simply write it as x ki power 1 by 3 की whole power 3 minus x की power minus 1 by 3 की whole power 3. 3 will be cancelled out only. So it will be x minus 1 by x as the answer of 17 second part here. Now let us solve 18th first part here, which is x की power m divided by x की power n की whole power l dot x की power n divided by xl की whole power m, and here xl divided by xm की whole power n. So this will be here x की power m minus n का whole l dot x n minus l का whole m dot x l minus m का power n. So this simply we can open it here. So on opening the bracket we will get lm minus nl plus nm minus lm plus ln minus mn. So this will be cancel out, ln will be cancel out, lm will be cancel out, and here x की power 0 will be equal to 1 as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve 18 second part here, which is x a plus b divided by x की power c, here a minus b. It is x b plus c divided by x की power a b minus c, and here x c plus a divided by x की power b and here c minus a. We can simply write this as x की power a square minus b square and opening the bracket and x की power ac minus bc dot x की power b square, we can take brackets here firstly. So here also b square minus c square and opening the bracket and here x की power on denominator as ab minus ac. Here also same formula because a square minus b square, if it is this formula I'm using here, which will be a minus b and a plus b. So we can write as in this form as c plus a, c minus a is written, so it will be written as c square minus a square. So c square minus a square on denominator x bc minus ab. Now we can solve this part as x a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square divided by x की power ac minus bc plus ab minus ac plus bc minus ab. So here we can cancel out this part as ac ac, bc bc and ab ab. Now simply we can write here also this will be cancelled out. So we will get x की power 0 simply and here also x की power 0. So 1 divided by 1 will be 1 as the answer here in the 18th second part. Now let us solve 19th first part here, which is under root lm of x की power l divided by x की power m multiplied by 1 by mn as under root and here x की power m and here x की power n dot n l under root as 1 by nl and here x की power n divided by x की power l. So simply firstly we will write in a simple form. Lm is the power here given as 1 by lm. In under root it is given, so it is written as here. Now we can write it as x l divided by x m the whole power 1 by lm is written here. And here also the same process, like if we write na a की power under root, so we write it as 1 by 2 and here also a की power 3, so we write it as a की power 1 by 3. Same I've used here also x की power n and it is 1 by mn. Here it is x की power n divided by x की power l and 1 by nl. We can simply write this part as x की power l minus m because it is written on divide 1 by lm multiplied x की power m minus n, here it is 1 by mn dot x की power n minus l, it is 1 by nl. So here we can write it as x l minus m divided by lm dot x m minus n divided by mn dot x n minus l divided by nl. So this is here x l minus m lm plus m minus n mn plus n minus l nl. So we can write it as, on cancelling this part we can write x, firstly we'll take LCM and write it as l nl minus m uh, n plus ml minus nl plus nm minus lm. So this will be cancelled out from here, this all will be also cancelled out and here it is m the power mnl simply. So this will be cancelled out here and again ln will be cancelled out, mn will be cancelled out. So here we will get x की power 0 as answer 1. So this is the final answer of 19th second part. 19th second part here it is x की power a and x की power b की whole power a square plus ab plus b square and here x की power b divided by x की power c की whole power b square plus bc plus c square, here x की power c divided by x की power a की whole power c square plus ac plus a square. We can write it as x की power a minus b का whole a square plus ab plus b square, here it is x की power b minus c की whole b square plus bc plus c square, here x की power c minus a c square plus ac plus a square. Now we can write this part as x a cube minus b cube here and x की power b cube minus c cube over here, and x की power c cube minus a cube, because we are using the formula as x cube minus y cube x minus y, here x square plus xy plus y square. So this is only we have used here. We can write this as a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. This will be cancelled out here. This also will be cancelled out. C cube plus minus a cube. Sorry, this will be cancelled out. So it is x की power 0 as equal to 1, or is the final answer of this question here. Here we are going to solve 19th third question. So here we can write it as a minus b, because we are using the formula here as x की power m divided by x की power n as x की power m minus n. So same thing here also, a square minus ab plus b square, here as x की power b minus c, b square minus bc plus c square. Here it is x की power c minus a, and here c square minus ca plus a square. Simply we can write this as x की power a plus b, here a square minus ab plus b square. Again x की power, we can write it to differentiate it here, b plus c, b square minus bc plus c square. Here also x, and here c plus a, c square minus ca plus a square. Simply we can write there as formula of a cube plus b cube. So it will be a cube plus b cube, here b cube plus c cube, and here x as c cube plus a cube. Now we can add this because the base is same. So x is a cube plus b cube plus b cube plus c cube, again c cube plus a cube. So we can write this as x की power 2 as common a cube plus b cube plus c cube as the final answer of this question here. Now let us solve question number 20, first part, which is a inverse plus b inverse divided by a की power minus 2 minus b की power minus 2. So it will be 1 by a plus 1 by b on writing it, dividing by 1 by a square minus 1 by b square equal to, here a plus b divided by ab into, on taking it as LCM and making on dividing that part, we will get as into a square b square divided by b square minus a square. On simplifying this part, this will be cancelled out from here, and we will get a plus b as b minus a and b plus a, here as a plus b and ab. This will be cancelled out, and it will be ab divided by b minus a as the answer of this question here. Now let us solve 22nd part, which is 1 by 1 plus a m minus n plus 1 by 1 plus a n minus m, which will be equal to 1 1 plus 1 a की power m divided by a की power n plus 1 1 plus a की power n divided by a की power m. So this we can write it as, on taking LCM, a की power n divided by a की power n plus a की power m plus a की power m divided by a की power m plus a की power n. We can write it as here a की power n plus a की power m, and here taking LCM a की power m plus a की power n. So this will be cancelled out, and 1 will be the final answer from here. So this is the answer here in the 22nd part. Now let us solve 21st first part, which we have to prove here. To prove the following is here. So the first part in this question is a plus b ka inverse, and here a inverse plus b inverse is equal to 1 by ab. We have to prove here. So simply we can write this as 1 by a plus b, here as 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1, on simplifying this part, we will get 1 by a plus b. Here also taking LCM, a plus b divided by ab, this will be cancelled out, and 1 by ab will be the final answer. Hence this is the LHS part, and now the RHS part here is 1 by AB. So here it is equal, LHS and RHS is equal, hence proved that 1 by AB is equal to 1 by AB, means LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Now let us solve question number 21 second part, which is x plus y plus z divided by x inverse, y inverse plus y inverse, z inverse plus z inverse, and here x inverse equal to x y z. So here we can write it as x plus y plus z, 1 by x y plus 1 by y z plus 1 by z x equal to x y z. On simplifying this part also, we have to prove here. This is the RHS part here and this is the LHS part. So let us solve the LHS part firstly. So it will be x plus y plus z into x, y, z divided by here as z plus x plus y. So this will be cancel out x plus y plus z, and here x, y, z is the LHS here. Hence proved that LHS is equal to RHS in this question. Hence proved that this part is equal to x, y, z only. Now let us solve question number 22 here, because in this it is if A is equal to CZ and B is equal to AX and C is equal to BY, then we have to prove that x, y, z is equal to 1. So it will be from here A is equal to CZ and here B is equal to AX. So we can write here C is equal to BY. Firstly, we will write A as CZ. So it will be A is equal to BYZ on multiplying. Here B is equal to AX. So we can write A equal to AXYZ. On comparing the value from here only, XYZ is equal to 1. Hence proved that XYZ from this three equations, putting it as first, second, third, we have proved that XYZ is equal to 1. Here we are going to solve 23rd question, and the given information in this question is if A is equal to x into y and y की power p minus 1, and here B is equal to x into y की power q minus 1, C is equal to y की power r minus 1. So simply to prove that, here we have to prove as A q minus r into B r minus p into C p minus q equal to 1. So for proving here, put it as the first equation here. So we can simply write this part by taking power of A as q minus r. So we can write it as A की power q minus r will be x y की power q minus p minus 1 की power q minus r. So here x की power q minus r, y की power pq, y की power p minus 1, and here q minus r. Here also in the same thing here also, that will be x की power q minus 1 की whole power r minus p, again x की power r minus p, y की power q minus 1, and here r minus p. C is equal to x by r minus 1 की whole power p minus q, which will be x की power p minus q, and here y की power r minus 1 and p minus q on multiplication. We can simply now substitute the values here in the first equation here. Put it as the equation first. So we will substitute here as aq minus r, x की power q minus r, y की power p minus 1 and q minus r multiplied by uh, x की power r minus p, y की power q minus 1 and r minus p, again multiplied by x की power p minus q, y की power r minus 1 and p minus q. So we can simply write this part as, firstly we will add the powers of x. So on adding, this will be cancel out, p will be cancel out, q will be cancel out. It will be x की power 0. Here also y की power p minus 1 and it is q minus r. So we can simply write this as pq minus PR minus Q plus R plus adding the powers of Y, QR minus PQ minus R plus P, and here plus RP minus minus RQ, again minus P plus Q. So this will be whole will be cancel out. PQ from PQ, PR, and PR. There Q R from R and QR from QR, P from P. So this will be x की power 0, y की power 0 will be 1. Hence from here we have proved the LHS part of the equation, and RHS part is 1 only, which we have to prove here. So this equation is proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved from here. Hence proved. Now let us solve here question number 24, which is 2x equal to 3y, 3 की power y, and 3y equal to 6 की power minus z. We have to prove that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 0. Simply we can write it as 2x equal to 3y equal to 6 minus z as k. So we can write 2 as k की power 1 by x, 3 as k की power 1 by y, 6 as k की power minus 1 by z. So on multiplying it, we will get k की power 1 by x into on multiplying this thing 2 into 3 as equal to 6. So we'll put here as k की power 1x, k की power 1y equal to k की power minus 1 by z. So it will be k की power 1 by x plus k की power 1 by y equal to k की power minus 1 by z, which will be on comparing the powers of k here. We will get as 1 by x plus 1 by y. Here it is minus 1 by z, so it will be 1 by z equal to 0 as the answer. So hence we have to prove this only in this question. So here LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Hence proved from here.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.